Sambonana nginibingelele nginamukele channel yaMaswiti Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kadlo maphansi le enkandla uma ngabe ke uyaqala ufika le channel ngicela ukuthi wenze iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe wale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje nganza kwethu njengamanje sizokhuluma ngecala ke lika Senzo Meyiwa sizohlaziya konke ke okutholakele ngohlobo lwamafoni kuPinki oyisisebenzi sakwa Vodacom njengoba ke namhlanje bekade ke ehlohlwa ngembuzo kanti ke uzokhumbula nje ukuthi ke ummeli eka defense accused number 1 uthi okanye ke usola umbuso usola state ke ngokuthi sikhetha ke ubufakazi sishiya ngaphandle ubufakazi okuyibona ubufakazi obubalekile nobufakazi obungasiza ukuthi ke leli cala liye phambili kanti futhi ke uzokhumbula ukuthi ke ngokuhlangothi lika accused number 1 uSenzo Meyiwa wadutshulwa wabulawa uLongwe Thwala oyindodana ke ka Chiko Thwala embulalela khona ke le eFlosorellas kuboke kakhweli Khumalo kodwa ubufakazi kobulethwa uPinki abukufakazeli lokho so lobufakazi ke lubuhamba ke nalento yokuthi ke kukhona le call esolwa ukuthi ke kade isuka kumngani kaMeyiwa uTumelo Madlala ibheke kusibali wakhe emtshela ke ukuthi sekudubuleke kwalimala uSenzo Meyiwa okubufakazi ke uDefense akhala ngokuthi ke akakazwanga ukuthi ke akuthole ngenkathi ke kuhlohla ngemibuzo uPinki kodwa ke cela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho.
There was a communication between Tumelo Madlala and Mr. Edward Shaw. Mr. Madlala was in the house and Edward Shope, who is the brother-in-law of Senzo Meyiwa, immediately after Senzo was shot.
I will object to that question unless if my colleague can pull out the record and point out where in the evidence did Mr. Tumelo Madlala said he did communicate with Mr. Edward Shope.
My Lord, I didn't say it's an evidence of the state. I've indicated that the defense will give evidence that there was a communication between Tumelo Madlala and Edward Shope. That's what the defense will say.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi umbuso wakade lethu ubufakazi obabukade buthi uKheli Khumalo wayekade ke enenamba ezazithi ke azibe u8 kanti futhi ke embili zalezo inamba zisetshenziswe ku testimony kaPinki manje ke ummeli ka accused number 2 okubongani Ntazi usebenziseke lelo phuzu ukuthi ke ahlasele ubufakazi obulethwa istate ikakhulukazi nje maqondana neconfession statement ka accused number 1 uzokhumbula ukuthi ke kuleso statement kuvela ukuthi ke uKheli Khumalo wafonela uaccused number 3 ebabuza ukuthi ke bakuphi nendawo ngaleso sikhathi ke ngokweintsolo ilapho khona babekade bebheke khona emzini wakaKhumalo beyoshaya yona ke le hit kaSenzo Meyiwa manje ke ummeli kaaccused number 2 ummeli kaBongani Ntazi uyabuza ukuthi ke ngabe lawo makhole aya exista na ikakhulukazi mangabe kubhekwa lezo inamba ezimbili eziprovidwe uPinki lona kosebenza ka Vodacom ngicela ukuthi sizwe ukuthi ke bathini.
If you can look for me at any period between 5 p.m. until 21:15, if there was any interaction or communication between the 8169 and the 2498, the first number, the 072 number of Kheli Khumalo.
I did not find either of those numbers on pages 11 and 12.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke kuphinde kwavela nanokuthi uaccused number 2 okubongani Ntazi ubekade ethola ama calls aphinde enza ama calls efonela ke intombi yakhe eboshiwe engaphakathi ejele aphinde futhi afoneleke nommeli wakhe lo ongasekho njengamanje kodwa ke wabuye wakuphika ke lokho ke wathi cha ifoni ke ayikade ke ingasetshenziswa uyena uPinki ke bekumele ukuthi ke manje aphinda veze futhi ngokwamathawa ukuthi ke le foni iyamhlanganisa yini uaccused number 2 okanye ke ibathola bendawonye yini uaccused number 2 nalesikhathi ayikade ke aboshwe ngaso ngicela ukuthi ke simuze ukuthi ke uphendule wathini kulokho.
What I want to find out from you is this: if we've got a cell record like that which references that certain activities were relayed or routed through Queenswood Tower, can you, on the basis of the 205 itself, precisely say the user was this person of this handset that made those calls? Can you identify the user, in other words? of the device that made those calls on that number.
Yizo-ke lezo ezinqala nje bezikade-ke zenzeka izolo kumhla ka-22 kuJulayi 2024 ecaleni-ke likaSenzo Meyiwa. Namhlanje-ke 23 July 2024 ummeli-ke ka-accused number 3 uzobeke phenya ngemibuzo yena-ke futhi-ke uPinky ozobeke seyiphendulela bese-ke sidibana kwivideo elandelayo lapho khona ngizobe sengu-update kulo-ke lolu daba. Ngizocela kwena njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe, ulike bese uyakhomenta sidibane kuyo leyo video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.